Tukisalia na CHAN ni kwamba timu ya taifa ya soka Harambee Stars imeendelea kujinoa kushiriki dimba la CHAN Agosti 2 hadi 30 litakaloandaliwa humu nchini na nchi jirani za Tanzania na Uganda.
Nowadays, there's no underdogs when it comes to football, so we just have to believe in ourselves. For my teammates, we should demand a lot from ourselves first, because we are playing for the country, you know. So we have to make our loved ones, the Republic of Kenya, proud by giving the best performance that we can, so that we can write history and leave a legacy behind. There's no under pressure. As long as we do our best, we play according to the instructions and we follow the coach's instruction and how we play. I think with the preparation that we are having, I believe we can achieve anything when it comes to football matters.
Tukisonga mbele ni kwamba klabu ya FC Leopards Jumatatu ya leo imebuni jopo la wataalamu ambalo